Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. I am grateful for your support. I value and respect your support. I have planned to deliver a lecture on inflectional and derivational morphology. So, derivational morphemes are affixes which are added to a lexeme to change its meaning or function. They are used to make a new different lexeme. For example, ly changes the adjective sad into the adverb sadly. When affixes are added to a base or stem, there is usually a specific order for adding them. Inflectional suffixes are added last, and once they are added, no more derivational affixes can be added. Inflectional morphology. Inflectional morphemes are affixes which carry grammatical meaning. For example, the plural as in cats or progressive ing in sailing. They don't change the part of speech or meaning of the word. They function to ensure that the word is in the appropriate form so the sentence is grammatically correct. So, what is morphology? Morphology, study of forms. Morphology is a branch of linguistics and one of the components of grammar that studies structures word especially in terms of morphemes. Morphology is the study and description of word formation as inflection, derivation and compounding in language. Branches of morphology. Inflectional morphology. Word inflect according to grammatical contrasts. For example, word inflect according to mood, tense, number and person. Adjective and noun according to gender and number. Derivational morphemes added to roots to create separate words. Er is a derivational suffix because it turns a verb into a noun. For example, paint and painter. Derivational morphology sometimes doesn't change the part of speech but its meaning, especially prefixes happy, unhappy, act and overact. Difference between functional and derivational morphology. Derivational morphology changes the meaning of stem, while inflectional morphology manages all grammatical functions. Inflection doesn't change the syntactic category of word, whereas derivation can do so. Books for morphology. Introducing morphology by Rockel Lieber. What is Morphology? Book by Mark Aronoff. So, thank you and Allah Hafiz.